Hello, I am the awfully English Jason England, and these are the brand new Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 and G16 gaming laptop, sporting the latest Intel Core Ultra Meteor Lake and AMD Ryzen 8000 CPUs. Asus just announced these in its big event at CES 2024, and with no new NVIDIA laptop GPUs launching at the event, the laptop maker is going big on three key areas for the new Zephyrus models: the CPU, the design, and the display. So let's start with what is currently topping our best gaming laptop list, which is the G14. We absolutely fell in love with this portable gaming powerhouse, and for the new year, we're getting a lot more of the same. It starts with the new AMD Ryzen 8000 CPU, otherwise known by its SKU name of Hawk Point, which really brings the fight to Intel's AI NPU, alongside some pretty tidy speed boosts. The GPU can be spec'd up to an RTX 4070 alongside 32 gigs of RAM and has a starting price in the UK of £1,899. Now, I know what a lot of you are thinking. Didn't Asus do an RTX 4090 version of this machine? Well, that last generation model will continue to be sold, but we're not seeing that most powerful GPU come to this mini machine. And I think that could come down to the fresh redesign. Gone is the anime matrix display and replaced with far more subtle slash lighting on the back. Something I'd feel far more comfortable pulling out in public and not embarrassing myself. The machine is built around a single block of aluminium, not aluminum, and Asus has both minimized the size and maximized what it's done with the space. What do I mean? Even though it is 18% thinner and 12% lighter, Asus has made the touchpad bigger, made the 6-speaker system 250% louder with 125% larger dual woofers, and made the keyboard's keycaps larger with the same amount of travel. One thing to note is that the battery is just a touch smaller now at 73 watt-hours rather than 76. But we'll have to see what that does to the battery drain when we get round to it. But most impressively, these are the first ROG gaming laptops since the Zephyrus S demo machine back in 2019 to come with an OLED display. The same 16:10 aspect ratio as before, 3K ratio, 120Hz refresh rate, and a 0.2 millisecond response time, and up to 500 nits of brightness. Basically all the gaming performance you need, but with the added benefit of a flash flood of color and a 1,000,000:1 contrast ratio that OLED technology is known for. The larger Zephyrus G16 benefits from all the same premium design and OLED display updates as well as the G14, but with its increased size, there are now some big differences, including a full-size SD card slot over microSD, the same liquid metal and tri-fan cooling being complemented by a vapor chamber too for both 4080 and RTX 4090 support, configurations including Meteor Lake up to Intel Core Ultra 9 185H, and a larger starting price of £2,299. They unmistakably feel more premium to the touch than last year's models. They have drop-dead gorgeous displays and better keyboards. Without getting ahead of myself, as we'll need to review them for a full opinion, I think there's a lot to be excited about when it comes to the ROG Zephyrus G14 and G16. But that's just my opinion. Let me know what you think in the comments. Make sure you subscribe to Tom's Guide right here and catch all of the latest news from CES at tomsguide.com. I've been Jason England, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.